Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to properly clean this blender cup, okay? Sometimes we forget that some dirt is getting deeper. So the best way to remove that dirt is by removing this part and start washing right here. So as you can see, here we have some shreds of dirt, okay? So let's get this ring off and let's rinse it. It's been about 2 months since we don't wash it this way. And here in this part we also find dirt. If you have a brush, you can use it too. Okay? Like some sort of this brush. We also have dirt in this part of the blender cup, so it's necessary to clean it too. Okay. Okay, this is the result after washing it, so you can see the difference. Okay people, as you can see, I'm practicing my English by doing things at home, so I can relate it to real things in life, okay? So I hope this video can be useful for you, so you can do similar things when you're at home. Try to relate your knowledge in the language with the things you're doing. I think this is a great way to learn English because, for example, I didn't know how to say enjuagar, so I had to look it up, but at least it's a great way to relate or to know more vocabulary, okay?